Hello class. Today we'll be looking at the Cold War and some important outputs of the Cold War. So for our lesson, I want you guys all to go to Pixlr.com, which is like a photoshopping website. And we're all going to choose a favorite picture that you want that pertains to the Cold War. So I want you to look up Cold War on Google and just choose a picture, download the picture via Google, and then upload it to the Pixlr editor system. And then once you get the picture, I want you then to listen to my next instructions. So we're going to do something different today. Today we're going to go over how to use this website and how to make this work for you. So I chose the Berlin Blockade, which was the first physical confrontation in the Cold War between America and the Soviet Union, where the Soviet Union blocked all of the exports from West Berlin to every other state/city around them, which caused problems. So what I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to make a quick, simple little edit. I'm going to add some text. So I want you guys all to add text and explain why you chose this image. So I'm going to write, I chose this image because it was the first physical confrontation of the Cold War. And then I'm going to put it up top where it's visible. Next, we can explore the layout and template, and we can choose your background. You can set the page size. You can resize the page, so you can change the dimensions of what you're at. So you can make it really small, really big, whatever you want. And to make it a little fun, you can add an animation to it. So I'm going to add the action animation. Look at that. Look at the action in with my words up top. And if you want, you can add elements or arrows that go to your text to emphasize what your text is or make the image more popping and it look more important. And you can crop your image so you can make it bigger or smaller if you want to focus on one part. If you want to focus if I just want to focus on the airplane, I could crop it so it's just on the airplane. You can cut out certain parts, so I cut out everything else besides the airplane. And you can adjust the color, light, anything about the actual picture, which is really cool. There's a lot of really cool details. So once you guys find out what you guys want to do, what picture you want to do, I want you guys to upload the text, one animation, and one special effect like an arrow or cropping or rotating. And I want you to download that and upload it to our Google Class folder. Thank you guys very much. Have a good one.